Welcome to Auto Drive, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive technology, and expert insights on upcoming models. If you're passionate about cars and want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button now and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2026 Ford Pinto, a modern revival of a classic nameplate that's been reimagined for the new era with performance, style, and technology in mind. Stick with us through the full video to get the complete breakdown of everything you need to know about this bold new release from Ford. Starting with the engine, the 2026 Ford Pinto offers a variety of powertrains tailored for different driving preferences. The base variant is equipped with a high-efficiency 1.5-liter turbocharged inline-3 engine delivering around 170 horsepower and 180 pound-feet of torque. For those looking for more performance, there is an optional 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 producing 245 horsepower and 275 pound-feet of torque. Rumors even hint at a performance V6 variant with over 300 horsepower that may join the lineup later in the production run. No matter the choice, these engines provide a compelling mix of fuel economy and lively acceleration, appealing to both everyday drivers and enthusiasts. Transmission options include a smooth shifting 8-speed automatic that prioritizes efficiency and comfort. For purists who enjoy a more hands-on experience, Ford also offers a 6-speed manual transmission on selected trims. This is a welcome move that adds to the fun-to-drive factor, especially when paired with the sport-tuned suspension setup. Speaking of drivetrains, the 2026 Ford Pinto comes standard with front-wheel drive, but an all-wheel drive system is available on higher trims for improved traction and handling in various driving conditions. Inside the cabin, the Pinto surprises with a thoughtfully designed interior that punches above its weight class. Depending on the trim, the car seats up to 5 passengers with a combination of comfort and practicality. The standard models feature premium cloth upholstery, while mid-range and top-end variants upgrade to leather-trimmed seats with contrast stitching and optional heating and ventilation. The dashboard is clean and modern, with intuitive controls and high-quality materials that include soft touch surfaces and available wood or metallic accents. On the exterior, the 2026 Ford Pinto sports a compact yet aggressive look with a sleek profile and bold character lines. It's offered as a hatchback with sporty proportions that balance aerodynamics and urban-friendly sizing. The car measures around 170 inches in length, 70 inches in width, and 58 inches in height, riding on a 104-inch wheelbase that ensures stability and ride comfort. Depending on the variant, you get stylish 17 to 19-inch alloy wheels and LED headlights with dynamic daytime running lights that enhance its presence on the road. Optional packages also offer a panoramic sunroof and chrome exterior details. Suspension and handling have been tuned for a balanced ride with an independent McPherson strut front setup and a multi-link rear suspension system. This configuration absorbs road imperfections while maintaining a solid connection to the pavement. Shock absorbers are specifically calibrated to reduce body roll and enhance cornering performance. The electric power steering provides direct feedback, making the Pinto agile and responsive whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on the highway. Braking performance is handled by 4-wheel disc brakes across all trims. The front and rear disc sizes range from 11 to 12 inches, depending on the engine and trim. These are backed by a reliable, anti-lock braking system and electronic brake force distribution, ensuring smooth and confident stopping in all conditions. Safety is a key priority for the 2026 Ford Pinto, and it comes equipped with a robust suite of features. Standard across all trims are multiple airbags, including front, side, and curtain airbags. Ford's advanced safety technology includes electronic stability control, traction control, lane keeping assist, and a rear-view camera. Higher trims add blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go functionality. Infotainment is another strong point for the Pinto. The base model comes with an 8-inch touchscreen featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. Upper trims upgrade to a 12.3-inch display with integrated navigation, voice control, and a premium sound system. You'll also find USB-C ports, wireless charging, and an optional Wi-Fi hotspot for enhanced connectivity on the go. For those who value entertainment and tech, the Pinto delivers a surprisingly rich experience in this category. Other convenience features include keyless entry, push-button start, power-adjustable front seats, and dual-zone automatic climate control. Select trims offer additional touches like ambient interior lighting, auto-dimming rearview mirrors, and a hands-free power liftgate. These extras add to the sense of luxury without stepping too far from the Pinto's value-oriented roots. Notable options and upgrades available on the 2026 Ford Pinto include a performance package with a sport-tuned exhaust, larger wheels, and more aggressive styling cues. There are also luxury options such as premium leather upholstery, wood trim inserts, and a suite of driver assistance technologies. Unique trim packages like the ST Line or Titanium Edition bring distinctive front grills, contrasting roof colors, and special badging to set your Pinto apart. One of the most exciting updates for 2026 is the potential addition of a hybrid or plug-in hybrid model. While not officially confirmed, industry insiders suggest Ford is preparing an electrified version to cater to the growing demand for eco-conscious driving. If released, it could offer excellent fuel economy and lower emissions while retaining the sporty driving characteristics the Pinto is aiming to deliver. To wrap up, the 2026 Ford Pinto marks a bold return of a classic name with a fresh modern identity. It blends performance, practicality, safety, and style in a package that's both accessible and exciting. Whether you're looking for an efficient commuter, a sporty hatchback, or a tech-savvy urban ride, the Pinto delivers in all departments. Ford's attention to detail and focus on offering a well-rounded vehicle is clear, and this latest iteration of the Pinto may just surprise a lot of people. If you enjoyed this detailed review and want more content like this, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Drive. We bring you the latest updates, first impressions, and in-depth analysis of all the hottest upcoming vehicles. Your support helps us keep bringing you top-quality content. Leave a like, drop a comment with your thoughts on the new Pinto, and let us know which car you want us to review next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.